Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Nyx Dota 2 easy method. Start by focusing on lane impact, secure levels, harass with Impale, and keep mana for spiked carapace counters. Prioritize rotations to mid and enemy jungle once you have Vendetta ready. Communicate with teammates before jumping and ping for follow-up. Use Blink Dagger or Force Staff for better positioning, and always buy Sentry or Dust to handle enemy invisibility. Gain early control by harassing enemies and stacking neutral camps when safe. Use Neurotoxin to secure kills and to deny enemy pulls, then move to mid for an unexpected gank. Keep Vendetta available for one decisive play rather than constant scouting. Buy early detection like Sentry or Dust to counter enemy wards and invis heroes. Roam often between lanes to force rotations and create space for your cores to farm. Open fights by entering Vendetta and moving to the flank unseen, then lock the primary carry with Impale. Immediately use Mana Burn to maximize damage against intelligence heroes, and activate Spiked Carapace if targeted to stun their key initiator. After the initial burst, retreat to the trees and re-engage only on favorable cooldowns. Focus on isolating supports and backliners while your cores collapse from the front, maintaining map presence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.